In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Shopify store if it shows unavailable. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, so if by any chance your Shopify store is unavailable, it could be due to various reasons, including technical issues or actions taken by Shopify. In my case, my Shopify store is unavailable for a lot of reasons. So one way to fix it is you go down to my store settings, and then you hover to right below store details, go to plan. All right. So I'll discuss why it's important to choose a plan first before you can address fixing the unavailable to your Shopify store. So here you need to get the plan for your Shopify store. So they have the most basic, which is $25 per month. The Shopify for small businesses is $65 per month, and the most advanced for medium to large businesses is $399 per month. So you can compare all plan features here. All right, depends on your needs, your budget, and your circumstances and your preferences. So basically, the advanced has a lot of features that the basic doesn't have. And once you choose the plan, you go now to your online store and sales channel. And then right below online store, hover down to preferences right here. And at the very bottom, where you can see the password protect. So to let anyone access your online store, you need to pick a plan. So if you don't choose a plan, definitely your store will be shown unavailable to many of its users, such as my Shopify store here. Basically, they can't access this because I haven't had the chance to pick a plan. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.